Welcome to Auto Garage, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. If you're passionate about cutting-edge models, powerful builds, and RC machines that push the limits, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates from Auto Garage. Today, we're diving into the thrilling new release from FMS, the next generation 2025 FMS 118 Atlas 6x6 RC Crawler RTR. A masterpiece in the world of RC engineering, this machine isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete evolution of off-road crawling. Packed with features, wrapped in scale realism, and ready to tackle the toughest terrain, the 2025 Atlas 6x6 has arrived with unmatched authority. From the very first glance, the Atlas 6x6 exudes power and purpose. The body comes fully assembled with a highly detailed and rugged scale look. FMS has brought a whole new level of realism, from its military-style front grille to the bold six-wheel stance that commands attention. The proportions are spot on, and whether you're crawling across rocks or showcasing it on your shelf, this RC model looks just as incredible in action as it does on display. Under the hood, the 2025 version features an all-metal chassis and full-time six-wheel drive system, giving it exceptional torque distribution and stability. The center-mounted transmission and rugged driveline mean you can hit the trails, mud, or rocky paths without fear. With the upgraded high-torque motor, every wheel delivers solid traction and precise control, making even steep inclines and loose surfaces feel effortless. Suspension is a big win here. The Atlas 6x6 is equipped with fully functional coilover shocks that provide excellent articulation and absorb impacts like a champ. Combine that with the grippy off-road tires, and you've got an RC crawler that performs like a beast right out of the box. Whether you're a seasoned RC crawler or just getting into the hobby, this truck is built to inspire confidence and deliver fun. The electronics are RTR, ready to run, meaning everything you need is included. It comes with a 2.4 GHz transmitter offering reliable range and precise control. The ESC and receiver unit are waterproof, giving you peace of mind to explore streams, wet conditions, and more adventurous routes. The included LiPo battery offers decent runtime and charges with the supplied USB charger, making setup and maintenance hassle-free. One of the standout features of this 2025 edition is its LED lighting system. Fully integrated front and rear lights not only look stunning during night runs but also enhance the realism, giving that true-to-life military vehicle vibe. The lights function automatically with throttle input and also add a wow factor when showing it off. What makes this RC crawler even more impressive is its price point. Despite its premium build and professional-level features, FMS has priced the 2025 Atlas 6x6 very competitively.